Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library, here click on camera app, click on camera app and click on this four dot icon and click on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on reset settings. After click on reset setting and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search camera from here. Click on camera and click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera shutter lag issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.